How to get multi-snap option back. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. Now, in case you see update sign here, tap on update and update your Snapchat app. Once you have updated your app, head over to settings and scroll below to apps. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat. Go on to storage and clear the cache. Now tap on clear data as well. And once you clear this app's data, it will delete all your account history and databases. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on delete. Now see if this fixes your problem. If this still does not show your multi-snap option, then you have to uninstall the application and reinstall it again. To do that, long tap onto the app and tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. And you can always download this application from your Play Store. And that might fix your problem of multi-snap not showing. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.